Alright, so here in this problem they give you guys function notation. They gave you this here in this box. F of -3 equals 2 and f of 5 equals -1. So to a quick review of function notation, if you wrote f of x above this, f of x equals f of x, you would see that your x values are inside the parentheses. And then your y value basically represents everything to the other side of the equal sign. That's your output. So basically what that means is f of -3 equals 2, that's the order pair -3, 2. And f of 5 equals -1, this is your order pair 5, -1. It basically just means you put an input into your function and you get an output. Input, output. Okay? Alright, so once you have your order pairs, the average rate of change is basically the same thing as slope. So if I order my order pairs, label them x1, y1, this is my first order pair, and this is x2, y2, this is the second order pair. Then I have the equation for slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, you may have labeled this the second order pair, which is totally fine, and here I'm substituting -1 minus 2. And I have to put that really big red subtraction sign because that's the #1 mistake students make. Again, when you did your substitutions, yours may have been flipped. Like whatever I'm going to show you on the left side, -1 minus 2 over 5 minus -3, you may have had the green and the blue on this side and the yellow and pink on this side. That does not matter. What matters is that you got a slope of -3/8. Raise your hand if you got -3/8. Okay. Let me show you guys another fast way of double checking as well that this is correct. So now I'm just showing you guys average rate of change or slope graphically. So -3, 2, left 3, up 2, 5, -1, right 5, down -1. And then here I'm just counting slope. So slope is rise over run. So this is the graph. So a rise, so it doesn't matter, you can start from here, or you can start here, I'll go this way. So I have to rise of 3, so that would be plus 3. And then I'm going to do a run, which is my horizontal, 8. Now, because I'm going to the left, those numbers are negative, so this would be -8. So this would be positive 3 over -8, and that would give me a slope of -3/8. And of course, when you graph the line, we read our graphs from left to right. It has a negative slope, right? The person's going down the hill.